What's up? Got a lot of cool things that happened this past 2 weeks. I want to share them with you. And let's get these chickens fed and Alright, what's up everybody? I told you I had like a lot of things that went on this past 2 weeks. A lot of really cool things. Like, for one, I got married. Me and my wife had a beautiful wedding. Throw some pictures up. Not only that, my family came down to see me here in Texas, all the way from North Carolina. I really appreciate them. I hadn't seen them in a while. Really awesome to see them. I got to hang out with my nephews, and that's the cool thing is we got to go to a trampoline park. We showed them how to handle the chickens, feed the chickens, get eggs and stuff like that. My dad was a big help with that, showing them how to do that, because that's what he taught me how to do. And it was really cool to see him interact with my nephews and everything like that, just like he did when I was a kid. What are you about to go do, Luke?
Go to the trampoline park, urban trampoline park.
What are you about to do?
A jump. And I don't know what they have in there. This is our first time.
All right, let's get it.
Okay. So ready to go.
Yep.
You know something? I'm sweaty and I'm working hard. Cheerleading stuff here.
That was cheerleading stuff right there.
Fell. Yeah. All right, I just got the call to go pick up our baby chicks. Getting excited for this year's meat chickens on March 26th. Already got the brooder set up and everything, ready for them. Just gotta add water. We should be good to go. Let's go get those baby chicks. Just got the baby chickens and they're all alive. As you can see, look at these things. The McMurray hatchery threw in extra baby chicken for free. All these are meat birds. Look at them. They're too cute. If you want to know the setup that I got here, I have, as you see, I got 2 heat lamps going. One of these will come out as they get bigger. within the week probably. I have a non-GMO growing food for these meat birds, grower food, so they can grow healthy. Inside of this is I got the magic water, which is a part of, it's like honey, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and water. And do all that in warm water, shake them up or stir them up or whatever, and get that water. Gives them some nutrients as soon as they come out. And because I opted out of all, whenever you order these from McMurray Hatchery, they give you the option to get them shots and all that stuff. I denied every bit of it. Didn't get no shots, nothing like that. And that's just the setup. Got you can see about 1.5 inch bedding here for them. I just got these water set up on like bricks in the 2x4 or whatever, just to keep them up out of there, so it keeps most of the shavings out. It's not going to keep them all out, but like I said, we already got some in there, but just looking so darn cute. But that's the setup. I got them in this brooder here that I made not too long ago, but yeah, this is my brooder setup for the baby chicks. This is just to show you, what happened this past 2 weeks. Not really a lot of video, but got pictures from the wedding. I got some video of us at the trampoline park. Got video of my nephews, playing with the chickens and stuff like that. Just getting them in there and seeing how it all works. And I hope you enjoy it. It's not like a normal video telling you what this is and what that is and how to do this or anything like that. It's just a fun video. It was a fun video for me, and I hope you enjoy it. And as always, smash that like button, subscribe, even put that little bell. Click that bell, remind you to watch this video.